Newton's Law of Motion by Leonard Shadrick. Newton's first law. My definition of the first law is that it's the law of materia. Materia has the tendency for something to continue doing what it was just doing. An example is a car crash. When a car lurches to a stop, and people in the car get flung forward. This is because the bodies in the car want to keep moving at the same speed they were just at. But the car stopped, so they go flying out their seats, unless they have seatbelts. Newton's second law is that acceleration occurs when a force acts on a mass and overcomes that mass. This is shown in an equation F equals ma. An example of this is biking. To move the bike, or the mass, you have to exert a force on the pedals. If the force overcomes the mass, you accelerate the bike. Newton's third law. My definition of Newton's third law is that if two objects interact, both will exert an equal but opposite force on each other. An example of this is if you throw a lacrosse ball at a cement wall. If you do so, it will come flying back at you with the same speed you threw at the wall. This is because it comes off the wall with an equal but opposite force, so now the ball is coming towards you rather than away. Example of the law in real life. Let's take a plane. Before it takes off, it has a net force of 0, and it is not moving. Unless an unbalanced force acts on it, it will never move. This is because the first law, the law of materia. Next, if the plane wants to take off, it has to create a force that is greater than the plane's mass. If this is done, the plane will start to accelerate. This is because of the second law, F equals ma. Then, when the plane lands, the wheels are exerting a force on the pavement. The pavement exerts an equal, opposite force back on the wheels, which keeps the plane from sinking into the ground or getting flung above.